add EndNote in a Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add EndNote in your Microsoft Office Word document. So as here you can see, this is a sample document right here, and in this document I'm gonna show you how you can add an EndNote. So for example, the first thing that you will need to do is specify that particular position where you want to add an end note. So for example, let's say if I want to add any end note just for this particular sentence or paragraph, then I will click at the far end of that particular paragraph. And then once I have done this, I need to click onto this references tab present at the top. So simply click onto this references tab, and from here you can see a number of options in this references tab. And under the footnote section, you can see the first option that says insert EndNote. So simply click onto this insert EndNote button, and the moment you will click onto this insert EndNote button, you can see that it has moved it towards the bottom of the page where I can determine the note for that particular sentence. So you can type in anything that you want. So for example, let's say like this, and then once you are done with this, you can simply click over to any other area and continue working. And whereas if I will move back to the original position, you can see this mark right here with a little symbol onto this particular position where we have added the end note. So that's how easily you can add an end note in your MS Word document. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.